Chanino Ninang, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Ninang. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. I love you. I miss you. Ninang, this for you. Happy birthday. Feliz Amidad. Feliz Amidad. Feliz Amidad. Pasurando felicidad. I'm gonna wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm gonna wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm gonna wish you a Merry Christmas. And Rihanna, oh my God. Bye-bye, love you. I miss you. Bye, ciao.
Happy birthday, Lalin! Welcome to the club!
Happy 50th birthday, Lalin! Pero mukha ka pa rin 18 years old.
Happy birthday, Lalin! Have a great day!
Hi, Lalin. Congratulations on your golden birthday. Parang kailan lang, nung nandun lang tayo sa Handog Pasalamat concert in Angono. And those days na nag-aaral tayo, we were in college, you were in CEU, kami na mga Paulus friends mo nasa Angono at sa Adamson. Now, ako naman ay nagwo-work sa Adamson, and I'm thankful to have known you, a very good friend, and I'm very happy to also officiated your wedding with Stanley. And I hope na as you now embark on this new chapter of yours, sabi nga nila, 50 is the new 40. So congratulations, and I wish you good health, at sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pagiging joyful, pagiging loving and caring mo, especially to your family. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you for all the help, support, and gift. We love you.
Happy birthday from the Philippines. Charot. So, ayan, tita. I would like to take this opportunity para mag-thank you sa'yo and of course kay Uncle Stan din. Thank you, tita, sa lahat ng i-share nyo na blessings na nare-receive nyo. Thank you sa lahat ng advice. Thank you sa lahat ng support. Thank you sa lahat ng everything you do for the family. Hindi lang para sa amin, sa buong pamilya, sa mga kaibigan na natutulungan nyo, tita. Maraming salamat sa inyo dalawa ni Uncle Stan. And walang bagay na hindi namin na-appreciate sa inyo ni Uncle Stan. Kaya we are truly blessed and grateful to have you and Uncle Stan for our life, tita. Maraming salamat. On your 50th birthday, enjoy mo lang, tita, everything. You deserve every good thing life has to offer. Yun lang. Maraming salamat. We love you and we miss you. Bumalik na kayo ulit. Charot!
Birthday, tita and tito. Ang wish ko lang po sa inyo is good health. And I know naman po, kada may pinagdadaan po kayo na sa relationship nyo is malalagpasan nyo. And enjoy your day lang po dyan. Enjoy nyo po yung party. And very thankful po ako sa lahat ng naitulong nyo sa akin. Pagbubutihan ko pa po lalo. Ayun lang po. I love you both.
Mic check. Hey, tita. Just wanted to say happy birthday sa inyong dalawa ni Tito Stan. And just wanted to let you guys know as well how thankful and grateful we are for the both of you. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for supporting us. And of course, especially me, I will always be thankful for the both of you. Thank you for supporting me when I was still in college. And one day, ako naman ang mabawi sa inyo. And hopefully one day makabisit kayo dito sa Dubai. My house is open for the both of you. And I'll be very happy to be your tour guide. And of course, happy birthday. Blow nyo ng candle. And we love you so much. More blessings to come. And lagi ko yung pinag-pray. Ingat po lagi.
Happy
Happy birthday, Tita Lali and Tito Stan. More birthdays to come. We love you and we miss you.
Happy birthday to you.
Hello? Hello? Mic check. Hi, Ma'am Yayin. Happy birthday. You know that our relationship is more than aunt and niece. We are like mother and daughter and also my best friend. And I want you to know that I really appreciate all your help sa amin. And we are so grateful for you. Thank you for loving us like your own. Oh, iniiyak ako. And hopefully someday makabawi kami sa'yo. And yun lang. May God give you longer life and good health, and may God grant the desire of your heart and more bags to come. Di ba, Vel? Sana naiyak ka din kasi naiyak ko. Alam mo naman mana ako sa'yo eh. So, happy birthday Uncle Stan, Mommy Aileen, and Juju. Blow na your cake. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Blow na. Blow. Happy birthday! Naipit na si Bel.
Happy birthday, Lalin!
Happy birthday, Lalin!
Masaya-masaya kami para sa iyo. Alalahanin mo na mahal ka namin. Kayong dalawa ni Stanley, katulad ng pagmamahal namin sa kuya at sa inso at sa iyong pamilya.
Happy birthday!
Ingat kayo palagi and see you in Pinas pag pwede na kayong bumisita. God bless you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Ayin. Love you, miss you. God bless.
Happy birthday! We love you.
Tita Ayin, I love you. God bless you. I miss you so much.
Happy birthday, Lalin. Wishing you all God's blessings. Enjoy your life and take good care of yourself. Happy birthday, Ate Lalin. Thank you for your generosity. Happy golden year. We love you. God bless. God bless.
Hi po, Mami Lalin. Happy birthday. Wishing you good health and a long, happy life. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan na Daddy Stan. God bless you and I love you very, very much.
Hi, Sis Lalin. Happy 50th birthday. Golden Lady ka na. Panalangin namin na patuloy kang bigyan ng lakas ng katawan at pag-iingat sa inyong mga ginagawa at pinupuntahan. Gayun din kay Stanley. Happy birthday, Stan. Nawa patuloy kayong bigyan ng blessing pa ng ating Panginoon. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tulong na ibinibigay ninyo sa amin. Muli, happy birthday sa inyong dalawa at more power and more blessing and more birthday to come. Ingat kayo and God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday, my dear sister Lalin. Wishing you the best of everything and more blessings and more birthdays to come. I love you so much. Pasensya na, hindi makapunta dyan si ate. And salamat sa mga tulong na ibinigay niyo sa amin ni Stanley, sa family natin, and sa family ko. Mas especially na nandyan si Julian. And babawi ako soon. And happy birthday din, Stanley. Don't worry, lagi kayo nasa prayers namin. And we love you so much. God bless and take care. Love you, love you, love you.
Sis Evelyn, happy birthday. May have more birthdays to come. Siyempre, blessing and good health. Ingat kayo lagi dyan, Stanley. Siyempre kay Stanley, happy birthday din sa inyo. Patuloy kayo ingatan at gabayan ng ating Panginoon. Bigyan ng magandang kalusugan. Lagi kayo kasama sa aming mga prayers. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. And God bless. Happy birthday.